So good day, this is Koreaiko Philippines, and I would like to introduce to you our grinder 037. .037 has an inclusion of dosing cup that has a 58 mm of size, tools for dismantling the upper burr to its lower burr, cleaning brush for cleaning purposes, and an English manual. 037 body composition, the upper portion is the bean hopper that has a capacity of 1,000 grams or 1 kilogram. This is the gate or bean stopper. This is the hopper lock. And this is the rotational disc for adjustment purposes. So as you can see, there are numbers. So the lesser the number, the finer it grinds. The greater the number, the coarser. So how can you maneuver this thing? All you need to do is place your desired size towards this arrow. For example, I want the size 2. All you need to do is place the number 2 in the arrow. Just like that. So portafilter holder. So it is suitable for portafilter and also for dosing cups. Next is the removable tray for ground waste and the switch here. So for the switch, 0 means off and the 1 line means on. So for the screen, in this corner, you can see the total computation between single and double shot. And for the total, the summation between single shot and double shot. In this corner, you can see the date and the time. For the middle part, a single shot has a default time of 3 seconds, meaning it will grind within 3 seconds. And the computation for the single shot will add 1. And for the double shot, it has a default time of 6 seconds. This middle part is for the manual grinding manually. So this icon is for the adjustment of single dose and double dose. So this portion is for the milliseconds and for this one is for the seconds. So how can you change it? Just use the positive sign to increase the milliseconds and then negative sign to decrease. Same goes with the seconds. You need to use the positive to increase and negative to decrease. So for example, I will turn the double shot into 11 seconds. So for another settings, first icon is the grinding mode. You will just choose for automatic grinding or manual grinding. Next settings is the setting of the single dose and double dose that I tackled a while ago. Rotation speed. So rotation speed, you will just choose how fast or how slow your grinder will rotate. RPM means revolution per minute. So the slowest is the 400 RPM and the fastest is the 1600 RPM. Just choose between the 6 of them. Next is the setting of date. Just press positive to increase the date, negative to decrease. Just same goes with the month and year. Then for the language, you can choose between Mandarin or English. Next is the display brightness. Just use the positive to increase the brightness and negative to lower the darkness.
For the information, so you can see the screen version 1.0. The main board version is version 1.6. Next is the security grinding times reset.
So this operation will reset your grinding times. This operation is not reversible. If you want to reset your grinding times or default, just click this icon.